Hey guys, how's it going? This is my Insta360 GO 2 camera. It's an action POV camera. It's like a GoPro or any other brand. This is the one that I use when I do POV, when I go for a drive or put it on a stabilizer when I'm shooting cars or whatever on a bike. I just want to do a quick video on how to upgrade its firmware. So I recently went to the website and I found a new firmware for this camera to be upgraded. So I just want to show you guys how to do this real quick. It's really easy to do. Anybody who has this camera, you can follow me along and do this. So before I do that, let's just find out what firmware version that I have right now. All right, now in order to find out which firmware that you have in this camera, you just have to open this up and we'll connect. And once it's connected, then you just have to roll through the menu. So I'm going to go to settings and select, and I'm going to go down to the about menu, and the sub menu there says firmware version. You can probably see that on camera, and I press that. It tells me currently I am on version 3.10.8.3. So there's a new one on the website. So I'm going to show you how to get that. All right, in order to get the new firmware, you just have to go to their website, which is Insta360.com homepage, and you go over to the downloads tab. Find your camera. In this case, it is the Insta360 GO 2. Click on that, and it looks like there are 3 things to download. This is the editing software studio. I already have that. This is the phone app. I already have that. And in the middle, this is their firmware. Looks like one came out a little while ago, and this version number, it is higher than the one that I have in my camera. So I'm going to go ahead and click on download. So once it's done downloaded, a file should be called Insta360 FW firmware, and it has a PKG file extension. So I already downloaded it. It's on my desktop. And what you have to do with this file is you would have to put it on the camera's root folder, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So to get the firmware onto the camera, you need to plug in the USB-C cable to the camera. So this is what I have here, and here's the camera. You plug that in on one side. The other side, you need to put it on the computer, which is right there, the red cable. And then you want to open that, press to connect. Now you give it a couple seconds, it will say USB mode. So now it's connected via USB. So now you can transfer the file. So I'm going to put this down for a second. I'm going to go to this file. So here is my camera root drive. It's empty. So I'm going to take this file. I'm going to copy it. And I'm just going to paste it here. Now, if you have other older PKG file, you need to get rid of that first. You want to put the latest one on here. So once you paste it here, now you go back to the camera, unplug the USB cable, and the camera will do its thing to find it and will upgrade itself. So watch this. So I'm going to unplug this. It says press to connect. So it says connecting. Now you see it says camera firmware checking. So now it's doing its own thing. We'll have to give it, I don't know, maybe 30 seconds. Or maybe not even that. That was quick. Let's see what happens now. So now it looks like it's booting back up. Press to connect. Connecting. Maybe it's done already. That was quick. So let's go back to the settings menu, see if this actually upgraded. Settings. I'm gonna go down to about firmware version. Yep. 3.10.17.2. That is the new firmware that was from the website. So that's how you upgrade the firmware on this camera. So I guess I was wrong. I thought it would take 30 seconds because the last time I did that, it was like 25 seconds. That took a little longer, but that was easy. So yeah, that's how you would upgrade the firmware for the Insta product line, at least for this camera. So hopefully that helps you guys. I love this camera. They said that this firmware have fixed some of the stabilization and quality of the video. So I can't wait to try it out next time when I go outside in my car or what have you. So hopefully that helps. Hit like or subscribe. Until next time, thank you for watching. Take care of yourself.